don't feel I have one. I wanna forget you, but only time will heal. Too late to erase the bad we've done. I wanna forget you, let me forget you. Push and pull, but you repel me, giving up this fight. Love and hate, we've learned the lies. I'm feel I have won. I wanna forget you.
When I saw him, like, wait a second, that looks like the car that Adam just got his wife, and you know, that looks almost familiar to other. Let me introduce Dave. This is Nicole. Michelle.
Nice to meet you, Michelle.
I have sent her a video of you guys' wedding and Adam doing the drift all around you. You remember that?
I remember.
That was her. Cool. She was the bride, and then he was just doing donuts around her.
I was the bride.
Yeah, that was awesome, man. Yeah. That was crazy. So yeah,
that's
very
super
excited.
Cool.
Wow. How long you guys been here? All day pretty much?
Like, yeah, 8:30.
Dude, I've been looking forward to meeting you, bro. What's up? What's going on, man? Huge fan, bro. Trying to catch you over at One Hill Fast. And then you guys came on Saturday. I was on Sunday. You guys went Sunday to Daytona. Yeah, I saw it. Busy weekend. So I saw a small little channel called Pushing Redline. Inspired by you and not doing blue for work and all these guys. So some nice stuff, bro. Any advice? Any like recommendations? Make sure you want to get my wife, Michelle.
Hi,
Adam. Nice to meet you. Guys, look who I found over here at ImportAlliance. I just stopped by Adam LC's booth. Really cool guy. I just had a couple of work with him. I seen this car right here. That's Nicole's drifting car, and nice S13 with a different facelift right there. Awesome car. As soon as I saw him, I was like, wait a second, that car looks way too familiar. And sure enough, I see Adam and his wife and Nicole, and they're just having a good time here. And we were able to get some merchandise for my wife and I. Really cool dude. I'll put a link for his channel in the description. Adam LC, he's into drifting and BMX and all that. Actually, one of my inspirations to work on a YouTube channel myself. So huge shout out, Adam. Thank you so much, man. I appreciate you giving me some good words, and just check out this thing, man. This thing is a beauty. I really like it, and the paint and seeing it live and not in the videos is definitely a great thing.
Ice cold, I'm swimming against the tide. I wanna forget you, but you pull me in. I know this ocean is far too wide. I wanna forget you, let me forget you. Push and pull, but you repel me. I'm giving up this fight.
Right over here next to one of my favorite cars. This is the Mazda RX-7. This thing looks super clean. It even has the right-hand drive steering wheel, and it looks amazing. So I'm gonna show you guys here. Guys, check out this R32 Skyline right here. Very, very clean. Also one of my favorites from today's event. That thing also has the right-hand side steering, and it just looks so clean. Definitely one of the gold cars. I would love to own one of these days. So this thing is just so lovely. I'm like mad in love with this thing. Oh my goodness, this is like a dream come true to finally see one of these in person. I'm so stoked.
I don't feel I have one. Ice cold, I'm swimming against the tide. I wanna forget you, but you
So what do you think about the car so far? Which one's your favorite?
The GTR.
The GTR, oh my goodness. You haven't seen many GTRs here.
That nice
Skyline R32 we saw earlier.
Really nice.
I really like the RX-7, I'll be honest with you. RX-7 was on point, that thing was awesome. Check out
The
this
red
IS350 here. There's some clean cars here, man. Not gonna lie. A lot of people are pouring their souls into their cars, and this one here is definitely one clean piece.
pull me in. I know this ocean is far too wide. I wanna forget you. Let me forget you. Push and pull, but you repel me. I'm giving up this fight.
Alright guys, thank you so much for checking out this video. If you haven't already, make sure to go ahead and smash that like button and subscribe. Also, let me know in the comments below which car you like the most. I personally have a soft spot for that RX-7, super clean, and the R32 Skyline as well, both right-hand drive. Super clean, super nice. I want to see which car was your favorite down below. I'll see you guys next time. Take care.